This video walks you through how to add a customer in Zoho Books. Begin by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the Sales section and then open Customers. This takes you to the customer list where existing customer records are displayed and new ones can be created. From there, click the plus New Customer button. That opens the customer creation form where you can enter the details for the new record. The form is organized into sections so you can move through it from top to bottom without skipping between pages. Start by selecting the customer type. Choose business if you are adding a company, or individual if the record is for a person. Then enter the basic customer information requested in the form. This includes the primary contact, the company name if that applies, the display name, the email address, the phone number, and the customer language. Make sure the display name is correct before moving on, since that is often the name that appears across transactions and customer records. Next, open the Other Details tab. In this area, you can configure optional settings tied to the customer account. Depending on what you need, enter or select the tax rate, currency, accounts receivable setting, opening balance, and payment terms. If you want the customer to have access to the customer portal, enable that option here. You can also upload supporting documents if they need to be stored with the customer profile. If additional information is needed, continue through the remaining tabs in the form. Open the Address tab to enter billing or shipping details. Use the Contact Persons tab if there are additional contacts associated with the customer. The Custom Fields tab is available if your Zoho Books setup includes extra fields for internal use or reporting. You can also open reporting tags to assign tags used in your account, and remarks if you want to include notes that belong with the customer record. After all required and optional details have been entered, take a moment to review the full form. Check that the customer type is correct, confirm the contact details, and look over any settings you added under Other Details or the extra tabs. This is the point where you can catch missing information or mismatch entries before the customer is added to your account. When everything looks correct, click Save. Zoho Books will create the customer record and add it to your customer list, making it available for future invoices, estimates, and other sales transactions inside the account. Your customer has now been added to your Zoho Books account.